Mayong gabi mga kaangkol. O karon, we're going to solve similar fractions using addition and subtraction. Sa pinakauna nga item, we have 1/2 plus 1/2. For example, gisugo ka og papalit og bugas tungag kilo, that is 1/2. Tapos imo na pong gidugnagan og tungga sa kilo, pila tanan. So isa ka kilo. So saan ka pag-solve? Alright. So this is similar fraction because the denominators of the given are equal. So meaning, pareha og denominator. Asa gani makita ang denominator? Sa ubos nga part sa fraction. So if in case, ang denominator sa duha ka given, pareha, imong buhaton, i-plus or i-minus nimo siya. So, how we're going to identify if it is i-minus or i-plus? Same with the integers. Tanaw na to ang first given kung positive ba siya or negative. So, ang first given is positive. Ang second given is positive po. So, parehas man siya positive, so ato siyang i-add. Okay. Kaya pareha man na siya ang denominator, ang atong buhaton, i-add na to ang numerator. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Copy the denominator. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. Isa ka kilo nga bugas. Next, we have 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. As you can see, parehas sila og denominator. So meaning, similar fraction sila. Now, we're going to determine if we're going to add or subtract. Tanawa ang una, positive or negative? Positive. May kaduha, negative. Parehas dili. Dili parehas. I-plus, i-minus. I-minus. Alright. So karon, we have 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 over, copy the 5, and determine which one is larger, 3 or 2. Okay, the answer is 3. Unsa may sign ni 3? Positive. Muna ang iyang answer, positive 1 over 5. How about you? You try this one at home. 2 over 7 plus 5 over 7. What is your answer? Comment your answer in the comment section.